Now let's customize the feedback messages customers see after submitting a review. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. From the submenu, click the Messages on Review Page tab. This section allows you to control the confirmation messages shown to customers after they submit their feedback. The message that appears will depend on the rating the customer gives. You'll see two message sections here, one for high ratings and one for low ratings. Before editing, you can click the Preview button on the right side of this section to see a sample of how the message may appear on the review page. This serves as a helpful reference, so you can get a sense of what your customers will see before making any changes. epicSnap already provides a ready-made layout for these messages. You can customize the message content to match your tone, while the layout and buttons are already set up for you. Let's start with the high rating feedback message. This message appears when a customer leaves a 4-star or 5-star review. You can edit the message using the text editor. Here, you can write a short thank you message or encourage the customer to take the next step, such as sharing their review on Google. Next is the low rating feedback message. This message appears when a customer leaves a 1-star to 3-star review. Instead of encouraging a public review, this message is usually used to invite the customer to share more details about their experience so you can improve your service. Both messages can be customized using the formatting tools in the editor. These include options like text formatting, bullet points, and merge tags that automatically insert store or customer details. Once you finish updating your messages, click Save to apply your changes. As a quick tip, keep these messages short and helpful. Clear and thoughtful responses encourage customers to stay engaged with your store. If you ever need assistance, just click the Get Help button at the top right. Epic is always here to support you. And if you'd like a demo or need additional help, feel free to email support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help you get the most out of Epic.